Rodel Pacheco Nacianceno, born November 1, 1981, known professionally as Coco Martin, is a Filipino actor and filmmaker. Known for his performances in action and romantic drama, he is one of the most awarded Filipino actors of the 21st century. His accolades include an ASEAN International Film Festival and Award, 2 FAMAS Awards, 2 Gawad Urian Awards, 10 PMPC Star Awards for Television and 8 Box Office Entertainment Awards. Martin's films have grossed 2.3 billion pesos worldwide, making him one of the highest-grossing box office stars of all time. Tatler Asia named him one of the most influential Filipino personalities in Asia. Martin began acting in the early 2000s and initially played minor and guest roles in several films. He made his breakthrough with leading roles in widely acclaimed indie films Daybreak, Serbis, Kinatay and Jay. For his portrayal of Edward Navarro for the latter, he won 3 Best Supporting Actor at the Gawad Urian, Golden Screen and Gawad Genio Awards. Breaking into the mainstream, he gained further recognition for his roles in television shows such as Tayong Dalawa, Kung Tayo'y Magkakalayo, Minsan Lang Kita Iibigin, Walang Hanggan, Juan de la Cruz TV series, Ikaw Lamang, and reached superstardom status in the longest-running drama series on Philippine television, FPJ's Ang Probinsyano, and FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Often described as the ultimate superstar, he was named Actor of the Decade at the 34th Gawad Urian Awards. He was also recognized as one of the most influential celebrities of the decade at the 10th Eduk Circle Awards. Early life. Rodel Pacheco Nacianceno, later known professionally as Coco Martin, was born on November 1, 1981, in Santa Cruz, Manila, to Maria Teresa and Ramon Nacianceno. Martin was young when his parents separated, causing his grandmother, Matilde, to care for him. He was raised in Novaliches, Quezon City, and later said he spent most of his time on the streets to make ends meet. During these years, he often went to the Quiapo Church in Manila with his grandmother to seek guidance from the Black Nazarene. Despite poor living conditions, Martin attended elementary and high school at Capital Institute in Novaliches. Martin earned a degree in hotel and restaurant management from the National College of Business and Arts in Fairview, Quezon City. To sustain his studies, Martin worked as a flair distributor, barista, merchandiser, waiter and driver. After finishing college, Martin flew to Alberta, Canada, where he worked as a janitor at a bingo parlor. A widowed Filipino-Canadian woman promised to help him secure legal employment if he worked as her housekeeper, but the arrangement was unsuccessful. Martin eventually went back to janitorial work, and after 9 months, returned to the Philippines. Martin in May 2023 announced that he has been in a romantic relationship with Julia Montes. It was not explicitly disclosed on when the two started their romantic relationship. Martin at the time remarked that he has been together with Montes for 12 years. They first worked together in the 2008 television series Ligaw na Bulaklak. It was in 2011 that two were linked together, which at the time Martin vehemently denied. Buwang Montes at Showbiz News Ngayon but admitted prior professional relations. He is the older brother of actor Ron Waldo Martin. In March 2025, Martin's ex-girlfriend, former actress Catherine Luna, apologized to him for the trouble caused after he was mistakenly labeled the biological father of one of her children. He also offered to help her with her eye surgery. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.